Welcome to the HR dashboard. This dashboard provides a consolidated view of employee workforce statistics across the organization. It enables HR managers, department heads, and business leaders to monitor employee demographics, workforce distribution, employment status, and organizational structure through interactive visualizations and KPI indicators in real time. The dashboard is integrated with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, D365 F&O, and uses employee-related master data from human resources modules. The dashboard highlights important KPIs such as total employees, male and female employee count, active employees, and terminated employees. Users can also analyze employee distribution by marital status, department, and state, helping identify workforce trends and support data-driven decision-making. On the left side of the dashboard, users can filter the dashboard using company ID and financial year slicers. These filters allow users to analyze employee data for a specific legal entity and reporting period. Once selected, all charts and KPIs update automatically to display the relevant information. In the middle of the dashboard, it shows the employee by marital status distribution of employees across different marital categories in the organization. The chart indicates that the largest group of employees have no marital status specified, 35.7%, followed by married, 21.4%, and single, 21.4%, employees. Smaller proportions are represented by cohabiting, 7.1%, divorced, 7.1%, and widowed, 7.1%, employees. Next, the employee by department bar chart displays the number of employees assigned to each department. This helps identify departments with the highest and lowest headcount, supporting workforce planning, staffing decisions, and resource allocation. On the right side, the employees by state table, which provides a geographic breakdown of the workforce, showing employee headcount by location. This enables management to understand regional employee distribution and support location-based planning and reporting. Thank you for exploring the HR dashboard. The dashboard delivers strong performance by offering real-time visibility into employee information, reducing manual reporting efforts, and improving operational efficiency. Interactive filters, dynamic cross-filtering, and insightful visual analytics empower HR teams and business leaders to identify trends, optimize resource planning, monitor workforce changes, and make informed strategic decisions. We hope this dashboard helps enhance workforce management and provides valuable insights for your organization. Thank you for watching.